Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy A12 and I'm gonna show you how to take burst shot in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner to this button. When we pick it, we can open the advanced camera settings, and now let's focus on the first one option, swipe shutter button to edge 2. When we tap here, we can pick from take burst shot or create GIF. Let me stay on take burst shot now. Let's go back to the camera. And now, when we tap on this shutter and swipe it down to the edge, we can take the series of pictures. As you can see, we have the countdown and we can take many pictures at the same time. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.